Do you want this trending edit project file?
Can't run. Everybody knows that.
You see anyone running, kick for brains?
Something funny, Bo.
She might have something to say about that.
Who's she? Cassandra Nova, a megalomaniacal psychotic asshole.
You said all that about me.
No. No.
Well, in this project file, you will not only have this trending edit, you will also have these text effects and also my CC, which I use in my all edits. Eventually, you will have everything which you can see in the edit. So if you want this project file, you can go to my video description and there you will find this link. Just click on it and it will redirect you to my PayHip account where you can buy the project file from here in just $1. Well, if you want this project file for free, then you can wait for my upcoming tutorial. In that video, I will teach you step by step on how I made this edit. So I will see you in the next video.